Yo, what is going on, guys? If you don't know who I am, I basically specialise in saving you guys cash. And today, I've managed to find some amazing IKEA discount codes and promo codes that are going to save you a bunch of money just in time for Christmas. Now, these IKEA discount codes work in 2023, and obviously we're going into 2024, so these will also continue to work into 2024, and these are definitely the best that I've discovered, and I've spent hours searching and trying different IKEA discount codes. Today, guys, you're going to be able to save $100 off your next order, or even more, because there is also a 50% off your next order code. So if you're doing a large order, guys, this is going to potentially save you hundreds off your next order. So let me get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone. So pick up your mobile and let me start recording so that you can follow along. Okay, so you need to go to this website. So open up an internet browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever. www.speedycoupons.com. So Speedy Coupons, SPEEDYCOUPONS. That's how you spell it. You can see on my screen as well, but yeah, I'm sure you know how to spell that. So go to this website, guys, and hit that search bar at the top of the page and type in what we're looking for. In this case, we're looking for IKEA. If you can spell, you should find it. There you go. IKEA's coupons and deals. So you can click on that page to open it up, like so. Here we go. Bunch of these coupons remaining, so don't panic if you find this video after a while. Yep, so you can see, guys, as I mentioned, there's two different codes. There's a $100 IKEA promo code. Now it says dollars, but it does work worldwide. I'm in the UK, and this code will remove 80 Great British pounds off my order, so it just like converts to your local currency. And there is also a 50% off, which is self-explanatory. So basically choose the coupon you want. I'm going to be clicking on the $100 one. And you can see, guys, we need to unlock our code. It says IKEA, and then there's some stars after it. Essentially, guys, we need to unlock the code. These codes are protected. Obviously, they're quite valuable. So this just prevents people coming on and just taking all of the available codes. So tap unlock code. And there's a couple of minutes process to unlock your code, but it's pretty easy, and I'll talk you through it. So you're going to see this IKEA code unlocker screen. Essentially, we need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page, and this will verify you're not a bot and also unlock your code. So you can see on my screen here, I have got a select list of tasks, and I need to choose 2 of these to complete. And these tasks, you can see, are sort of questionnaires or free games or apps which I need to download. So you can just choose 2 and follow the instructions below each one, and just ensure you do fully complete 2 of them. So I'm going to click on this one at the top, which says enter your email and complete the steps. So I'll click on it, and I'm going to have a questionnaire to complete. And then I need to input my valid and correct email. So let me do that. And then I'm also going to do this one here that says same sort of thing, but it's a different one. This one's for a PayPal account. So I just need to basically answer the questions and once again input my working email. So let me go ahead, finish both of those, and I'll return, and we can see if it gives me my IKEA code. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I just completed those 2 questionnaires. So I just basically I had to answer some questions, then I had to input my working and correct email address. Basically, it's important if you choose these ones to put in your correct email and info, because it does verify you as a real person. If you try and like trick the system, it's going to know that you are tricking it, and it will think you're like a robot or whatever. So anyway, if you fully completed those 2, when you hit your tabs, you should see this IKEA coupons tab, and if you've got a good set of eyes, you can already see it's now revealed the code. So this is my personal and unique $100 off code for IKEA. And that is it. I can now use that at checkout, and it's going to take $100 off my order, or for me around 80 Great British pounds. and it takes around 5 minutes to get your code, so that was well worth it. It's going to save you a bunch of money. So yeah, go to speedycoupons.com, guys, and follow the instructions in this video.